Hey everybody, welcome back to an episode of PermaSlug. Today what I wanted to show you is a new video that I just released in my Oxygen course, and that is on the Flexible Content field in the Advanced Custom Fields Pro plugin. So you might be thinking, well, there's Gutenberg, so this video is kind of pointless, which to a certain degree I kind of agree with you, but I really like the way that the Flexible Content gives you the ability to have sort of this structured box that your client could edit content on their site within and not, just completely grenade the site, both in terms of styling and content that they could add. So on this example site that I have, there's a few different flexible fields that I have set up, and I'll go into the backend real quick and just show you. So one of these is image on left, and I have this image block with a little text, the WYSIWYG editor. This one I have split text, so it's 50-50. And then the other one is another image on left. What's really cool about this is you set it up in the field group however you want, and when your client clicks on Add Row, they can see these different options that you've named there for them. If I go ahead and click on Split Text, then what I'll do is just copy some text in here. Let me go back up to this right here, publish that, and then you'll notice I added that below this picture of the shovel. Click on Update, and then we'll go refresh on the front end here. And that text shows up beneath our picture of the shovel. So of course this is not a particularly complex layout, but the idea is just to show you how you can give your client a little bit more flexibility without them having to wait around for you to make the changes for them in Oxygen. So if we move over to the field group here, you can see I have this flexible content field just called content, and then you add what are called layouts inside of it. So the layout you basically just name, you add whatever fields you want, and then this is almost, in a certain sense, like a repeater inside of a repeater. You add a new layout, add the fields inside of there, and then the only difference as compared to like a repeater is that you do actually have to add the code yourself, and that's the point of this particular video, is I do show you in the course how you can set that up and achieve something like this. The reason why I came up with this particular tutorial is I just recently got a client that has super time-sensitive updates for their website, sometimes that need to be made same day or within just a few hours, and that's not something that I can realistically offer them in good faith, and I don't want to be tied to that sort of responsiveness. So instead what I've come up with is the ability for them to add the fields that they need, and then they can also remove them, rearrange them, delete them, whatever they want to do, and just simply update their page. They don't have to touch Oxygen, and they don't have to wait for me. And again, you could realistically use Gutenberg, but I feel like it's just a lot less friendly. In conjunction with the classic editor and kind of this narrow box of what they can edit, I felt like this was a great solution for them, and it works. So if this is something that you're struggling with in the flexible content arena, trying to set that up on your site, visit the link in the description below to go to my Ultimate Oxygen course, and you'll get access to this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a future video.